coming with a hair review. It's a little bit different than what you've normally seen from me on this channel. So I've been wanting to try faux locks for a while now, and I finally was like, I'm gonna do it, and it was the perfect time. It's you know, transitioning season. It's officially spring and I want to try something new. I wanted to give my natural hair a break from the units that I usually wear. This is crochet, so I didn't get all single. The front part was done as single, so to give it a more natural look. I've had it as of today this is literally the 1 week mark, so it's lasted me for about a week. These are goddess locks. That's the actual term for what I got done. The hair, surprisingly, is from Amazon, y'all. They on Amazon, first of all, of course, it's like a million and bajillion options. I went to my local beauty supplies and I could not find the colors that I wanted for this style, or they didn't have enough in what I wanted. So I pulled out handy dandy Amazon and I searched for goddess locks, and I bought 6 packs of 1B/27 and 3 packs of I bought 6 packs of 1B30 and 3 packs of number 27. So I wanted a blonde look, but not, you know, platinum or too bright like I usually do with my wigs, but just, you know, just something. You can see the mixture of colors here. I like how it turned out. I was nervous that I was gonna have enough of the lighter color I wanted, or that the contrast between the two colors wouldn't look good, but I'm happy with how it came out. Pauline, hey girl, did my hair. She actually has a YouTube channel, so I will put her channel information in my description box below so you can check her out too. So yeah, these are 20 inches, so it reaches definitely past my chest. From sitting down, it's to my waist. And what I like about it is also very lightweight. I did have some packs left, but so I would say I have about 7 to 7.5 packs in my hair. I'm extra, so I want a lot. Total, everything cost me about, let's see, the 6 packs were 31 and change. The 3 pack was 18 and change. I can't do the math right now. Basically I think that's $50. Please correct me if I'm wrong. That's so sad. But yes, not definitely inexpensive. It didn't cost a lot. They had the specific buyer that I bought it from has so many different color selections. Again, I'll include the information below so you can check it out yourself. But I plan to keep this in for about 4 weeks, so that's a month. That's typically how long I keep in any protective styles like this. I haven't done something like this for literally 8 years. That's when I went natural, so I'm so happy they came up with this whole crochet method, because I was not about to sit down for like 12 hours to do this and then take it out when I want to take it out. No. So yeah, like I mentioned, crochet, so it's you know, my hair is cornrowed underneath, and then I crochet, and that's about it. Let me know if you want me to give you an update at the 1 month mark. But like I said, the hair is very lightweight. It came with no scent. And yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, do all that. See you on the next one.